If you charge the battery on your OPPO Reno 15 Pro and it is stuck at 80%, in order to solve this issue, first we need to go to settings. Now over here in settings, scroll down and search for battery, and then in battery we're gonna scroll down again, and this time we are looking for the battery health option. In here we have two options that can limit your charging to 80% or maybe even more. The first one is smart charging. This option uses AI in order to figure out your charging pattern, and at the beginning it might not work so great because it needs some time to figure it out, and therefore the battery can be stuck at 80%. So you can turn it off if you are annoyed by it. And there is also the custom charging limit, which actually by default is set to 90% if you turn it on, but it can be reduce it to 80%, and of course this is just like a hard limit, like a cap, and it cannot be exceeded when it's enabled, so you can turn it off as well. Leave a like and subscribe.